All right, so without breaking the bank, let's find out how we can raise the property value on your home so that you can get it sold this year. What's going on? It's NYC Real Estate P, your New York City and Long Island real estate agent, back with another video to help you make a decision in your real estate journey. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, or leave a comment down below if you just have something nice to say. Or if you have a question, of course, we can speak privately, freely, or I can create a video on any subject that you may be interested in. These videos are for you all, and I hope you're enjoying them. Now, today's video is going to be about the top 6 renovations you could do to increase the property value of your home. The goal here is to get the most ROI without breaking the bank. All right, we're going to go over some cost-effective ways to increase the property value before selling your home. It's not any particular order, but number 1 is kitchen remodel. Okay, and again, this is minor kitchen remodeling. We are trying to do this the cost-effective way. You do not have to change the floor plan. You don't have to break down any walls or open up the kitchen and bring in an island and all that stuff. We can keep it very simple. All right. First things first, the floor. All right. If the flooring is old and worn out, then yes, let's get in some new tiles. Of course, quartz is in these days. More in than granite. But again, you don't need to purchase some fancy marble floor to, really make the kitchen stand out and be appealing. Honestly, just a new floor tiles is going to work perfectly fine. Also, if you look at your cabinets, and if your kitchen cabinets are in good condition, I mean, just consider refacing them, like some paint, maybe getting them sanded down, then painting them. Putting on some different knobs or new knobs, something with more of a modern touch or an up-to-date, look. Something as simple as refacing your kitchen cabinets and just a new floor tile can really make a difference, because sometimes, especially if you're not going to put the money into like a new refrigerator and a sink and all that, sometimes people are going to move in anyway and renovate what they want. So, cost effectively, let's just get in some new floor tiling and reface those kitchen cabinets. All right, number 2, bathroom remodeling. Again, cost effective. Do not go in and gut out the whole bathroom and put in a whole new designer bathroom. No. Cost effective. Let's keep it simple. Let's update the vanity mirror, fixtures, and hardware. That's it. Comes to the vanity, you can change out the countertop, give it a nice updated color, new color, or just a fresh color, whichever one you feel is necessary. And same thing with the cabinets. Just pick a color that's refreshing and clean and feels new. Also, maybe just change the pull-out knob on the vanity, and of course change the mirror, and I would say the lighting frames. That's it. As simple as that. We didn't have to buy new toilets, new tubs, new showers, new glass doors, new fancy opening doors. You don't got to do all that. Cost effective. Keep it simple. Just update the vanity. All right, number 3, paint. Okay, we definitely want to paint the whole interior of the house. Okay, we want to paint the whole interior of the house. I want to say that twice. You want to give a fresh paint coat to the whole house, because you want the whole house to seem like either A, you take care of this home, B, something's brand new, or C, no one's really lived here. Because those 3 things are something that buyers do think about when purchasing a home. Yes, they know it's previously owned. Yes, it's used. However, they like to come in and they're going to easily want to make an offer if they feel like it's ready and perfect for them, like it's brand new. So we're going to paint the entire home, and we're not going to pick any crazy colors. We're not going to pick anything that pops out or looks gorgeous or amazing or beautiful. We're going to keep it simple and clean, like a gray color. Okay, not white, not black, but a nice gray tone, because we want it to be, again, clean and simple. We want the home to look open and inviting and welcoming, okay? So, now, do we paint the exterior of the home? Not unless it's necessary, okay? Sometimes it's not necessary to paint the exterior of the home. Sometimes you just need to power wash the outside, which would be a lot cheaper than having to paint the whole inside of the home and the outside. So unless you really just have an outdated look to the outside of the home, paint and, new sidings and all that stuff is not necessary. A simple power wash will do the trick. All right, so number 4 is going to be flooring. And that's, again, the floors throughout the whole home. Number 1, and this is big, old carpets have to go, okay? Now, if some people have carpeting in certain parts of their home that they barely walk on, that they barely even use the room, the furniture just kind of sits there for show. We all have a friend or two, or auntie, or uncle who's like this, and typically those carpets are fine. They just need a little carpet clean, and it's good to go. However, if you have carpets that have just been walked on and used and laid upon and whatever, for the last, let's say, 5-10 years, those carpets have to go, because odors and stains and dirt, they just get too caught up in it. It's just better to just rip it out. And now, what do we replace it with? Well, truthfully, you could replace it with bottom tier carpeting. You don't have to, again, break the bank. We can keep this cost effective. Now, of course, laminate flooring and hardwood flooring, of course, is always appealing and some of the most attractive, and they really are the go-to when it comes to what buyers are looking for. But again, cost effective. If it comes down to just replacing the carpet with a low tier carpet, that's totally fine. We just want the home to feel as new as possible so that buyers will make offers, because our goal is to get as many offers as possible to find the best offer for you. All right, number 5, declutter. Okay, declutter. We're going to take everything off the walls. We're going to get rid of all personal belongings, personal photos, personal items. That means family photos, cultural or religious photos or items. We're going to get rid of all of that. We're going to get this home decluttered down to the necessities. And what I mean the necessities is that some of you are not able to leave your home while selling it. You have to live there while you're selling it. So the best thing to do is declutter it down to just the simple, basic furniture that you need. This will not only make the home look a little bit more open and bigger, but getting rid of the personal items will also let buyers walk in when they see the home and feel like the home is ready for them and it's not here for you to keep living in. We want them to feel like they're ready to move in and make an offer. The more offers we get, the better offer we can get for you. So if it just comes down to you can't afford to do any remodeling and you can't even afford to paint the inside of your home, then declutter is going to be your number 1 option always. All right, number 6, and I made this last because it's really not important, but landscaping, okay? You don't have to landscape, because the truth is most people who purchase a home end up changing the landscape of the home, of outside anyway, okay? They're going to come in and they're going to put what they want in the front yard, the backyard, the side yard. They're going to do what they want. So trust me, by all means, do not waste your money on landscaping. Of course, I would suggest, if you have grass, if you have a lawn, cut the grass. You just want to make it appealing. You just want a little curb appeal to just make it look attractive from the outside. That's it. But, by all means, do not feel like you need to plant trees, plant palm trees, put in pool, put in a hot tub, or put in anything that you may think, this is about to be their new resort to live in. No. Cut the grass, give it a nice clean look on the outside, declutter any extra belongings you have outside, just make it look neat. That's it. Again, landscaping is not at all needed, but it is number 6 on the list. All right, and those are the 6 renovations to do that will help increase the property value on your home. Now again, if there's any 2 things that you do, 2, all right, and I'll even say which one to do by itself, but if you could at least do 2 things out of the 6, I would say paint the whole entire house on the inside and declutter. Those are the 2 most important things you could do. And of course, if you could only do one thing because of, the budget is tight or money is tight, then just declutter the home. The point of all of this is to make the home more attractive for buyers when they come in. Plus, when it comes to decluttering your home, when you open up that space and it's just down to the necessities, trust me, while living there, it's going to be easier to clean your home and being ready for the showings that we get on the schedule, because it may take a week and it may take 2 weeks, it may take 3 weeks. So, decluttering the home will also make it easier for you to live in the home while I have to show it and sell it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. I hope it was very helpful for those who are getting ready to sell their home. If you found it useful or helpful, please like the video. Subscribe to the channel, as I'm always bringing out new videos for you to help make decisions in real estate, whether it's your journey in real estate or if you have to decide to move to Long Island or New York City. Please leave a comment down below if there was anything you liked or did not like about this video. Leave a comment about any other questions you may have. You can also feel free to contact me. My information is down below in the description. You can call me, text me, send me a DM on any platform, or just leave a comment below and we can start to chat there. I'm NYC Real Estate P, and I'll catch you next time.